Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. You know night after night I'll be loving you right 7 days a week. You love when I jump right in. All of me I'm offering. Show you what devotion is. Deeper than the ocean is. Wind it back, I'll take it slow. Leave you with that afterglow. Show you what devotion is. Deeper than the ocean is. It's the way that we can ride. It's the way that we can ride. Think I met you in another life, so break me up another time. You wrap around me and you give me life, and that's why night after night I'll be loving you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. You know night after night I'll be loving you right 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. You know night after night I'll be loving you right 7 days a week.
아무 말 안 해도 난 알아. 너와 나의 눈을 맞춘 순간 Got me feeling hot, body temper 마치 난 열이 난 것 같아. He jump in at both feet Got me feeling good 내가 내는 소리 들으면 알아 기분 탓인 건지 너와 나의 사이 looking like a fantasy. Open up say ah 한 입에 날 먹어봐 무슨 맛인가 우리 사이끼리 부끄러움 없이 모든 걸 보여줘 if you're feeling lucky. 월화수목금토일 매일 하고 싶어져 이 느낌 대로 계속 갈래 so fuck it let's sleep in yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. You know night after night I'll be loving you right 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. You know night after night I'll be loving you right 7 days a week.
Yo, this really my time. Like, this is my time, bro. This the time that I've been waiting for. Pay attention, I just got a point, you gotta change the score. I'ma tell you, switch the competition if I'm getting bored. I got all the power, so you couldn't compare me to a chord. She tryna be just like Mulatto, rip me out the drawers. Acting like a dog, treat them nails like they some fucking paws. Treat her like the bro, she tried to kiss me, hit her with a pause. Play for every team, I got no ring, just like I'm Randy Moss. What you tryna say? Tryna say that I ain't wiped up. I don't need distractions, man, I'm tryna get the right bucks. Move the family out and buy my mom a bunch of nice stuff. Can't forget my dad, I bet the nigga want a nice truck. You don't need a BBL, already got a nice butt. Lights out, she got the night butt. The party started, man, I think I need a nice cup. I'm tired of being nice to everybody, that polite stuff. I've been waiting for this, 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 I've been waiting for this. What goes around, it comes around, just like a hula hoop. You don't look important, so I doubt I gotta Google you. I work 9 to 5, I treat the booth just like a cubicle. You tryna be like me, it doesn't work, but I could tutor you. Put the gun away, man, I bet this shit go doo-doo-doo. I be shitting on the beat, a little do-do-do-do. One girl, 5 sides, that's the usual. I ain't crazy, I just act a little delusional. I ain't crazy, matter of fact, I think I'm regular. I'm about to go on cruise control, just like you drive a Tesla. I'm about to take my foot up off the gas, cause I'm ahead of ya. Just cause I got some money, don't mean I should give some bread to ya. Every single day, I wonder what the top will look like. I wonder if I hit him left, will it hook right? I wonder if I wear these jeans, will they look tight? I wonder if she wanna come, I will book flight. Actually, I wonder which game that I'ma play today. Yesterday was Call of Duty, play 2K today. You look thirsty, man, I think you need some haterade. Yep, it's Friday, man, I'm really getting paid today. I've been waiting for this, 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 I've been waiting for this.
Purchase your tracks today.
out, niggas was getting tased, bitches was popping pussy by the front door, niggas was throwing chairs, everything was going down. 50,000 people.
Helicopter!
Twin shit right here. Real twin shit right here. You gotta know about it.
Jump out at the show, jump out at the show. Had to turn my flow, yeah, had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah, they smacking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah, just shut up and let me go. Riding in that beat, you let that talk the truth. Riding around with these bust down watches on me, I got my blinking tongue. Yeah, number one up on these chart, yeah, stuck at one. All we do is to go number one. And I just brought in some ends, little bitches the first of the month. Run, I'm in the game, little bitch, I'm much at the city, I'm afraid of the sun. I went and paid in the Benz, I switch shit up, I wanted it, nobody done. All of my face, my family, my coat, my brother, my slime, my sister, my mom. I give a fuck what you saying, I don't listen to it, I don't wanna hear about none. And the whip got 2 or yeah, bro, right short, yeah, what they calling them one. I'm about to bring this shit back and wait from the top at the time of the month. I'm about to do it again, better do it again, better shit with a song. He gon' talk to rap, he gon' talk to the beats, he gon' talk to Schmitz, he gon' talk to the lid. I don't give a fuck you saying, you already heard what I said. You got big boy downs on me, he got big boy bread. I don't give a fuck about the coupe, yeah, play the bitch on test. You don't even make no money, it don't make no sense. I ain't sure the coupe, I better trip out again. Jump out at the show, jump out at the show. Had to turn my flow, yeah, had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah, they smacking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah, just shut up and let me go. Riding in that beat, you let that talk the truth. Riding around with these bust down watches on me, I got my blinking tongue. Yeah, number one up on these chart, yeah, stuck at one. All we do is to go number one. And I just brought in some ends, little bitches the first of the month. Run, I'm in the game, little bitch, I'm much at the city, I'm afraid of the sun. I went and paid in the Benz, I switch shit up, I wanted it, nobody done. All of my face, my family, my coat, my brother, my slime, my sister, my mom. I give a fuck what you saying, I don't listen to it, I don't wanna hear about none. And the whip got 2 or yeah, bro, right short, yeah, what they calling them one. I'm about to bring this shit back and wait from the top at the time of the month. I'm about to do it again, better shit with a song.
a cage of bones. There's nothing inside. Will it unleash me, burning down the walls? Is there a way for me to break? I'm a sharpshooter at Post Masquerade. I'm in both face and mind, all free for you to draw. I'm a shapeshifter, have no face to show. Please don't take off my mask, my disguise.
I've been feeling lonely, I need someone to hold me. Come on baby, hold me. Yeah, I've been feeling jaded, don't know how I should play it. Tell me how to play it. Now you've been moving on. Let me know, can I come along? Since you're gone, oh it's been so long. On my own, my own, my own, my own. Living in the haze, staying in the shade. All I do is sit around and wait for better days. I could use a break, can I get an amen? All I do is sit around and wait for better days.
Can I get an amen? Introverted can't make friends. Pray for better days. Now it's 300K when my day ends. Do you remember last night? Cause I blacked out in that all white dress with her back out. Said be careful with her heart cause it's fragile. And thinking about her past make her lash out. See with me it ain't no worries at all. Any problem I be there in one call. If we locked in, you my dog. Finna you hang pictures on my wall. Roll one, let's get high tonight. Backseat, Maybach, lavish life. Chillin' with the stars like a satellite. AP on my arm and it's shining bright.
Living in the haze, staying in the shade. All I do is sit around and wait for better days. I could use a break, can I get an amen? All I do is sit around and wait for better days. Sit around and wait. Better days. I can use a break. Better days. All I do is sit around and wait for better days. Better days. All I do is sit around and wait for better days.
I've been thinking about you way too much. I tried to stop it, but it's hard to stop the rush.
She bad on him, I like this. Cowgirl, now she wanna ride it. Face cut valid and she got nice lips. Innocent and a freak, that's my type shit. 10 out of 10, yeah, that's my bitch. If you like TikTok, TikTok like this, I know what you're on, don't try hide it. I girl, move your waist and wine like this. Face cut valid and her body come perfect. I could be patient if it's worth it. If you want a Birkin, then earn it. Miss, we can make fire like furnace. She pull up on me in the night with a purpose. And your eye contact Miss if you got a bumper, then twerk it. Miss if you got a bumper, then shake it. Vibrate it, embrace it. If you want a baby, let's make it. First step room, next step get naked. I got Henny, are you tryna get wasted? If you can handle, come take it. I know that your friends like me and you hate it. Babe, they can look, not touch and taste it. Only you, and me. Homebody, I don't like party, but we can party like we at Carney. First day, throw it back, palm me. Only you, and me. Let's do body on body. She don't need honey, she already on me. If you bring your girls, I'ma bring my army. She bad, I like this. Cowgirl, now she wanna ride it. Face card valid and she got nice lips. Innocent and a freak, that's my type shit. 10 out of 10, yeah, that's my bitch. You feel like TikTok like this. I know what you're on, don't try hide it. I girl, move your waist and wine like this. She bad, I like this. Cowgirl, now she wanna ride it. Face card valid and she got nice lips. Innocent and a freak, that's my type shit. 10 out of 10, yeah, that's my bitch. You feel like TikTok like this. I know what you're on, don't try hide it. I girl, move your waist and wine like this.
Yeah, if I could go back to that day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. You run your mouth all over town, and this one goes out to the sound of breaking glass on my Range Rover. Pay me back or bitch, it's over. All the presents I would send, fuck my friends behind my shoulder. Next time I'ma stay asleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And you got me thinking lately, bitch, you crazy, and nothing's ever good enough. I wrote a little song for you, it go like do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the games you play. I ain't no tic-tac-toe. Save the X and O's on another note. I'm do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So say the X and O's on another note. I'm ghost. If I could go back to that day we met, I probably would've stayed in bed. You wake up every day and make me feel like I'm incompetent. Designer shoes and Xanax tabs, compliments your makeup bag. You never had to buy yourself a drink, cause everybody want to tap that ass. And you got me thinking lately, bitch, you crazy, and nothing's ever good enough. I wrote a little song for you, it go like do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the games you play. I ain't no tic-tac-toe. Save the X and O's on another note. I'm do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So say the X and O's on another note. I'm ghost. For you, it go like do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the games you play. I ain't no tic-tac-toe. Save the X and O's on another note. I'm do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So say the X and O's on another note. I'm ghost. On another note, I'm ghost.
Like I'll sing through the night, just like I'm out before your eyes. You and me at the time, we race and fall through the vast open sky. get to the real side. The falling sun, the rising of the night sky. So bitter every time. Overlaps with your frame, trapped within the lies. I knew from the first time I saw you. My breath was stolen right away. My reason and heart too. As if you weren't trapped within your own truth. Or wrapped in fragile glue. You were lonely and sad, gazing on through. Then again a tick-tock loud. But then the world goes on and on around. Running along with the sound, singing new words and now hearing voices we call out. Though tears fall on the ground. If we could be together, just you and me. Now I think happiness could be ours and found. Through all the sad, hurtful days and for your never smiling face, I give all my love and heart and hope tomorrow finds a way. In the dark endless night before we fall into the sky, come and take my hand and stay right by my side. For even all the days that you hide, the days you wish are gone and died, I will melt them all away with all the warmth I hold inside. Please just don't be afraid until the dawn comes again on someday. Let's stay as one, I pray. I don't know why you would play blind. I hate it when you see things on your own with a sad side. It's like they captivate you in a strange way, or like you love their gaze. It's that look that you give that I hate. Those little things that I wanna believe and I can't, and I know I just can't ignore. Know that I'll come back time and again, and then I know that I'll rage and then I'll cry more. But knowing that we will, or feeling that we will, or hoping that we will understand each other well, 'cause I'm sure I can tell. No, I don't want this, I'm just so tired of this. I leap up and reach my hands to hold your own, but you just push my hands away to say that no, I don't want this, I'm just so tired of this. I wish I could say the same, it would be easy that way. I'm gonna get a tick to talk aloud, but then the world goes on and on around. It seems that none of the words that I made for your ears ever make it to be found. I wanna end my life, you said and cried, and when I went along and said those words in kind, you looked up and you smiled so warm and bright. In all the sad, hurtful days, I couldn't smile anymore. Though the sight of you within my eyes is one that I adore. On the dark, endless night, the tears I weep and then I cry, all dissolve into your smile so warm and bright. Through all the sad, constant days where I would hurt and cry, thrill, take a chance. Every journey starts a new romance. A new world's calling out to you. Take a turn off the path, find a new addition to the cast. You know that any captain needs a crew. Take it in stride as you move side to side. They're just different points of view. Jump with me, grab coins with me, oh yeah. Come on and jump up in the air. Jump without a care. Jump up 'cause you know that I'll be there. And if you find you're short on joy, don't forget that you're still a one-up boy. So go on, straighten up your cap. Let your toes begin to tap. This rhythm is a power shoe. Don't forget you're the superstar. No one else can make it this far. But go through that stage. Now you've got panache. Oh, let's do the Odyssey. It's time to jump up in the air. Jump up, don't be scared. Jump up and your cares will soar away. And if the dark clouds start to swirl, don't fear, don't shed a tear, 'cause I'll be your one-up girl. Now listen, all you boys and girls all around the world, don't be afraid to get up and move. You know that we're all superstars. We're the ones who made it this far. Put a smile on that face. There's no time to waste, so let's do the Odyssey.
We love you, Taka.
Yeah, I know you see the drip and you like it. Wanna text me but your pride tryna fight it. I know you young chasing love tryna find it. Then I saw you at a party, so you know I want you. So do you want me? If I said I love you, would you love me? I could never dub you, but could you dub me? Yeah, I wanna fall in love, I don't think it's for me. Hope you know I want you, so do you want me? If I said I love you, would you love me? I could never dub you, but could you dub me? Yeah, I wanna fall in love, I don't think it's for me. I ain't no regular nigga. When we pull up to the party, man, the party get bigger. And she fucking with Lil Tecca 'cause she know I'm a winner. I pray to God every day, but I know I'm a sinner. More money, more problems, and the bitches get thicker. Keep throw, shooting like a free throw. Shorty, she a freehold, that's my line. Yeah, I want a shorty right now, know you might now, but I ain't tryna waste no time. She know I'm too wavy. Yeah, I'm that nigga, you cannot replace me. As soon as I met you, you said you wouldn't date me. I can't say I'm loyal for you, baby, maybe. These niggas, they hate me 'cause they mad they hate me. So much hoes around me, I'm getting so lazy. I'll fuck with you, baby, as long as you make me. Sooner or later, I'll make you my baby. Sooner or later, I'll make you my baby. Yeah, I know you see the drip and you like it. Wanna text me, but your pride tryna fight it. I know you young, chasing love, tryna find it. Then I saw you at a party, so you know I want you. So do you want me? If I said I love you, would you love me? I could never dub you, but could you dub me? Yeah, I wanna fall in love, I don't think it's for me. Hope you know I want you, so do you want me? If I said I love you, would you love me? I can never dub you, but could you dub me? Yeah, I wanna fall in love, I don't think it's for me. 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 I don't think it's for me.
You ought to know that I think we're one and the same. I don't think we could help it. No, I don't think we could help it. We don't talk much. Guess 'cause nothing has changed. And I'm not sure I like it. And I'm there's nothing to say. I'm not quite sure we'd fix it. Guess we're so used to it. Wish I'd known this from the beginning. We find it hard to work out why we have all this doubt. If I told you, you know how to go and break my heart in two. 'Cause I would anyways. We'd end up like always. You know me, you better show me that you can say it to my face. 'Cause you know it's the same. There's worse things I can take.
You are my church, you are my place of worship. I heard you the block, can I be the circuit? When I got caught, I hope that you're the verdict. When you're around, my insides turn inverted. My blood starts to rush when I see you dormant. I know you're nearby and I know your purpose. Take one look at you, you're heaven's incarnate. What is the spell, baby? Please show some mercy. Melting like an ice cream when you smile. Melting your daydream state. I pray that I can learn to be funny. I'm watching every stand-up comedy, just hoping that it'll rub off on me. So you smile at everything I say. You got some soft lips and some pearly white. I wanna touch them in the dead of night. Your smile ignites just like a candlelight. And somehow I know everything's alright. Melting like an ice cream when you smile. Melting
Anywhere that we be, you can go. So bring your friends to the front, and when you here, let me know. I'm a nice guy, for sure. No, for real, let me show you. You wanna move through the crowd now? You looking good, turn around now. You put that on just for me, babe? She told me, boy, settle down now. I see you smile, girl, tryna hide it. Bottom lip curling up and you bite it. Say my name, get it right. I'm your man. For the night we pop out at 1 in the morning. You really wanna know this kind of life, never boring. She bought Dior with a man from the store, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring. She asking to come with the crew, and the accent to come with a view. She dancing, unruly, reaction. I love it, bad to the bone, and she know it. When she move that fast and slow, she a pro to the pros. Do the most. Other girls, they not even close. Now go, baby, go to the flow. Make it clap like a Broadway show. I might throw a rose, make a toast. Say the word, I'ma give you the world. Back to the bar, need to fill it up. Then back of the car, put the windows up. Then an hour gone past, now she drawing on the glass. Got a smiley face with a middle finger up. No, baby, don't flaunt it. She a goddess. You the muse and the artist. You see what you like. If you want it, come get it, but don't take long. We pop out at 1 in the morning. You really wanna know this kind of life, never boring. She bought Dior with a man from the store, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring. She asking to come with the crew, and the accent to come with a view. She dancing, unruly, reaction. I love it.
Worst case scenario, we end up falling apart and I'll be pouring my heart up on your stereo. Worst case scenario, you keep ignoring my calls and I'll be screaming at walls.
Yeah, last night I saw my phone away into a brand new fight. You calling me some names that I did not like. I'm calling you some names that don't feel so nice, but that's just life, yeah. Always complaining, bringing me down, and always to blame when I come around. Yeah, so high up in the clouds, we can weather the storm, but I can't stop thinking about worst case scenario. We end up falling apart and I'll be pouring my heart up on your stereo. Worst case scenario, you keep ignoring my calls and I'll be screaming at walls like a miracle. Worst case scenario, you find someone that you want and you'll be keeping me caught up on your merry-go. But that's the worst case scenario. That's the worst case scenario. Last night we all get to the morning, screaming and performing like it was so important. Hate my face and hate my guts. It's all give and take without no trust. If it's love, I don't know it. Think it's kinda weird how you show it. Dumping all the trauma that you own and picking up the pieces just to make me keep believing you ain't leaving. I'm just thinking about worst case scenario. We end up falling apart and I'll be pouring my heart up on your stereo. Worst case scenario, you keep ignoring my calls and I'll be screaming at walls like a miracle. Worst case scenario, you find someone that you want and you'll be keeping me caught up on your merry-go. But that's the worst case scenario. But that's the worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, you keep ignoring my calls and I'll be screaming at walls up like a miracle. Worst case scenario, you find someone that you want and you'll be keeping me caught up on your merry-go. That's the worst case scenario. That's the worst case scenario.
Taj Money.
my last track probably gave you
I
live.
think about you on the road when I tear down the booth. Girl, I can't wait till I get home, fuck the shit out of you. Even though the ride,
cause all the views will be nice. Learn the stories that we'll tell our friends. We'll make him laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make a jump to 7th heaven. Shopping carts and chronic pain. I'm 9 years over drinking age. Is this how mom said it would be? Cause if so, I've got sights to see. Strawberry fields and impossible highs. Looking for purpose and what else to find. Hope for the best, no, I'm wasting my time. Can't let these chances get out of my life. Once again, I won't be sitting and be living in the innocence. Watching all these souls out of sin, the bottom sinking in. Waiting for something to happen. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? Cause all the views will be nice. And the stories that we'll tell our friends. We'll make them laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make it jump to 7th heaven.
minimum wage, putting minimal effort. Could hold on for money and waste my potential. Skin rotting further, though I'm not a relic. Relate with the elderly, bones are upsetting. I try so hard, and it's just so much work. Hell, I've slept in my car for days and weeks. It hurts that I can do so much and never get that far. Yet still I'm pushing for something. I'm moving towards something. Wait, I'm sick of waiting for y'all. I'm done with wasting my time. Don't got that much to live for. Let's go for one hell of a ride. I'm sick of waiting for y'all. I'm done with wasting my time. Don't got that much to live for.
Oh, won't you stay for the ride? Cause all the views will be nice. Learn the stories that we'll tell our friends. We'll make them laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make it jump to 7th heaven. Won't you join the ride? Won't you join the
I get it. She wanna come with me, I get it. And she wanna come for me, I get it. Diamonds dancing, she want it, I get it.
Shawty want all of me and I get it. Last day of our lives, I'ma get it. The one that she wants, cause I keep me a weapon. Throwing a V's, yeah, you know when I'm reppin'.
Certified flexer, just flexing a bit. My money big, your money small, you ain't getting shit. Taking a call and still getting rich. You come to me now, I'm too fucking lit, let's go. She don't want me to leave, I'm pulling a weave, I'm pulling ahead. She saying I'm me, one flow in a fit. There's nothing to see, you know I did.
Drink pour with a side of lean. Got a main bitch, but decide with me. Shawty sang for me, she go wild with me. 10 hours, man, the time flies. Ounce after ounce down sky. She said no one home, better drive by. Her pussy so wet, gotta dive.
Said you wanna come over, wanna hold the revolver, smoking on dope. Hooked on now, you know words I spoke. Big 4-5, make a bitch want choke. Bills on giant, feet 5-4, and it stands so tall, like the time I fall. Pick out the back, make a move, run home. And this new loud pack hit like John Jones. I get it, I get it. That's good weed that can sniff it. My diamond specific, I'm doing specifics. On the land like I'm fishing, she touching on me like a ball pin. Inside my pocket, a rocket. She told me, AJ, come into my world, cause she know that I'm gon' rock it. I get it, I get it. She wanna come with me, I get it. And she wanna come for me, I get it. Diamonds don't touch, she want it, I get it.
Shawty want all of me and I get it. Last day of our lives, I'ma get it. The one that she wants, cause I keep me a weapon. Throwing a V's, yeah, you know when I'm reppin'.
Certified flex, it just flexing a bit. My money big, your money small, you ain't getting shit. Taking a call, I'm still getting rich. You come to me now, I'm too fucking lit, let's go.